Hi y'all, this is Michelle, the Southern Shell, and I am here today to share with you a journal that I have made. It's not done yet. I still need to go through the decorating process, but I wanted to show you because this is the first one that I've made that I can take the signatures in and out of, or I can add more signatures to if I wanted to. So this is the outside cover. And it is, look, my grandson colored on it while I was putting the covers on. This is 110-pound cardstock, which is scored and wrapped around. So this is double 110-pound cardstock wrapped around, and the back side here. Isn't that just beautiful? I put on this this ribbon here to tie it closed as needed. I did not cover it across the front like I did the back. I put it underneath the beautiful picture. So this, I will leave the link below. I got this, there's a couple different junk journal kits that I used to actually put this one together, and I will leave those links below so that you can look at their shops on Etsy. So when you open the book, now because it is 110 pound, it is struggling to actually lay open. I will work on that a little bit. I know that if I continue to kind of rub it and bend it, it should help to lay it out a little bit better. But like I said, this is the first one that I've made. So one of the things, let's look at some of the signatures. You can see here I have some, oh, what is this? This is my goodness, I don't even know what the name of this is. I think it was given to me. It is not baker's twine, but it has almost like a little wax on it. So that's what I used here. I used the green ones, the green one on the signatures, and I'll trim that off. And then I used the brown one on the book. And so let's look at these signatures. Look at this front paper. I used a 80-pound card, 60-pound card on the outside of the signatures. And then when you open the signature, you have another paper that has the print on it from the kit. And then on the inside, I have some coffee dyed papers that I had done, and then another sheet that comes from the journaling kit, and then another piece of the coffee dye. So each signature has 2 of the printed journal on paper, 1 printed journal on card to close and create the signature, and then 3 sheets of the coffee dyed. And then here's another. Now I made 4 signatures. Grayson, no. 4 signatures to go in here with the papers for journaling. Here is another one of them I can show you a little easier. So here you have it. You have the thicker card. You have the paper. Now I bought paper. Yes, that's to comb Jasmine's hair. I used an HP paper that is 30-pound weight. Grayson, over here. Yes, over here. Put Jasmine's comb down. Put Jasmine's comb down and come over here. Get up on Gigi's bed, please. There you go. Thank you. There, get up there. Come on, up. Okay, so I used an HP 30-pound weight paper, which is just wonderful. It's heavier, just enough that it's a little heavier than your regular copy paper. And I used that for the printed pages. And then I used regular copy paper on the copy stained. And then I went on through and I created the signature. I only put 3 holes in this, and I went ahead and I tied it with that wax twine. And then on each of these, I'm able to come in this outer cover that I've made, I can take the signature in the center. So I'm going to bring it over here. All of these signatures are pushed over to the edge. I'm going to lift that piece of twine just enough to get all of those pages under there. Try to keep my hand out of your way. There you go. And then this is going to slide under there. Like that. There we go. And now we have that signature in our book. If I wanted to add another one, I could add another one under here so that this opens with all of them. But I'm not at that point yet. So what I did make, however, is for the center signature, I made this one. I made this one to go in the center.
Cars and tools.
Yes, cars and tools. For the center one, I went ahead and printed it on 80-pound card, and you open it up, and I have the pockets on this one here that I can put anything in the journal that I may want to journal on, like the cards, tags, stuff like that. And then you flip that open, and you've got this one in the center that has also been sewn in to the signature, and on the back page you have one more. So it's a simple, smaller one, but I wanted to have something to store tags in the center of my book. So on the center of my book, I can open this up, and I'm going to show you. Let me show you here. You can see where I have the signatures sewn in. And so I'm going to go to the center signature right here. And that's where this one is going to go. So I'm going to open that up, open up my signature to the center. I'm going to take that little piece of twine and I'm going to put it under there. Make sure that it's underneath that twine. I'm going to help it up over that other signature right there. And it's going to start sliding through. Now I want to make sure that my little tag pocket is also going to go through. It's easier when you're not filming and you know nobody's watching. Pull that on through right in the middle, and now you have that as your little middle signature that you can put anything in there. Now you see that these are a little loose, but that's so I can add more to it if I want to later. I put that in upside down. You didn't. You did. I put this signature in upside down. Easy enough. Slide it out, put it back in. So guys, I am going to decorate this next. And that's what I'm going to share with you. I'm going to film me decorating this so that I can kind of get your guys' input as well, and on what I want to do, what I'm going to do next. I think I'm going to do a I have a couple that I can do, but I think I'm going to do a steampunk one that I have the junk journal for. I think that would be super cute. But let's go ahead and get this one decorated first. And if you are interested in receiving this after it's done, please let me know in the comments below. I will go ahead and, as we're going through the process of decorating this, if you guys send me a comment, I'll remind you. I will do a drawing at the end when it's done and send this to one of my subscribers that has commented to me about this, about the journal we're working on. Just don't go, hey, I would like to have a comment about what we're working on. Is there something that I'm doing that may be an easier way to do? Let me know. Like I said, this is my first one, and I'd like to get better at it. I've enjoyed this process, but I'd like your input, and I'm very ecstatic that I am back into sharing these with you. If you've not subscribed to my channel, I do hope you consider doing so by hitting that subscribe button. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to know when I'm uploading a new video, hit that bell notification, and YouTube should let you know when when a new one has come out. As always, guys, stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.